I'm here with Brian Goldstein. He's the CEO of Proactive Medical Products. They're a manufacturer of a variety of products. You guys have therapeutic support services, patient lifts, mobility offerings.
Yes.
A lot of stuff. You've been in business for 7 years?
7 years now, yep.
Okay.
Going strong.
Okay, so tell me the Proactive story. How'd you guys get started?
Okay, so we've been in business about 7 years,
Uh-huh.
and I was the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Mason Medical for 13 years. And subsequently, we did so well that Drive Medical bought our company. So after that, we decided to get back into business as Proactive and take everything we learned from the Mason days and broaden the product line and improve the service. And we do a lot of private label work right now for larger companies.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
We consider ourselves a kind of a boutique firm in that the larger companies, when they can't do something, we will offer them something that we're more nimble in. It might be a smaller box or rolling a product up or warehousing for them or quick shipping products. So we do that as well. But our main focus now is building out our brand. So we're based in New York, and we use distributors for most of our distribution throughout the country. And we're built on service, quality, and pricing right now.
And this is something that you and I talked about before, is that you guys are really focused on product quality.
Yes.
And what are the sort of product quality challenges in today's HME market? I imagine that everybody's probably coming to you talking about price, and you're like, well, yeah, but it's also got to last.
Exactly. So we get it all the time. The first thing is people want what do you have the least expensive? We try to explain to them that there's also value in that also. So we've been educating people over time that even though it's the lowest price, you might be fixing it or you might be doing a call out to somebody's house on the weekend. A service call could cost up to $150 for a tech to go out on a weekend to look at an air mattress. So we try to explain to people that there should be a mid-range that we offer, where there's a good product, good pricing as well, and it lasts a long period of time. So at first, again, they started asking for the cheapest stuff. Now they're educated and they want something that's going to last longer. So instead of take for example an air mattress that somebody else offers for a 1-year warranty, we've made ours a 2-year warranty because we put more R&D in there, and we know it's going to last longer. We could stand behind it, and that's why we're kind of separating ourselves from the other manufacturers.
Okay, all right. Well, Brian, if people want to find out more about Proactive, obviously, if they're at Medtrade, they want to come to booth number 2345.
Correct.
What about online, telephone? How can they get a hold of you if they're not here?
Okay, so honestly, this is the way we work. I'm going to give you my personal cell phone number.
Really?
If anybody wants to order or talk about Proactive, you can call my cell phone number, which is 917-940-0134. Again, 917-940-0134. We always answer the phone. Very service-oriented company, and we're glad to start doing business with anybody who's interested in talking.
I was going to say, if you got the CEO's cell phone, I'd say that's service.
Yes, absolutely.
And one of the things that we were talking about is that you guys have a very large spectrum of support surfaces.
Correct.
And kind of a real breadth of products, so maybe you could talk to that.
Yes. So we pride ourselves on having the largest breadth of support surfaces in the industry.
Okay.
So when it comes to air mattresses and foam mattresses, we will allow a person actually to build their own product. So if you look over here at our pumps right here, they can take whatever pump that they want, and they can actually put it with any type of mattress.
Oh, okay.
So there are 8-inch mattresses that are the least expensive ones, or there might be a 5-inch with a 3-inch piece of foam in it, or we call a cell and cell, which are higher technology. So there's a cheap one, and then a more expensive, and then a high-end one. And they can take whichever one they want and put it with any pump. So it'll meet either their clinical needs or it'll meet their price point.
Okay.
So we buy them all, we manufacture them all individually, so we pack them together the way the customer wants it. So they can basically build their own mattress.
And I imagine that's for a provider trying to work with different referral sources. They kind of become a people pleaser at that point.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, and we can actually make them wider also if they need to make it a 42-inch for the bariatric patient or extra long. So we actually can customize the width and the length of the products as well. These other bigger, larger companies are not as nimble as us, So that's a service that we provide, and that's at no charge.
You guys do a lot of product innovation, and one of the things that's been sort of a hit at the booth here has been this cushion. Maybe you could tell me a little bit about that. It seems like it's getting a lot of attention.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we have here is traditionally there are foam cushions or foam and gel cushions or air cushions.
Right.
So what we've invented here is actually a hybrid cushion, and it's actually a air and foam filled cushion.
Interesting.
So you can't see it. There's a valve here that allows you to pump up the cushion. If I can ask you to hold the cover.
Please, yeah.
You attach here and you pump up the cushion to desired pressure. Then the resident or the user would sit on it, and if it's too firm, they actually have a release valve here that allows air to seep out.
Okay.
And then you can close it. One of the unique things about it is if somebody forgets to close the valve and they sit on it, there's enough foam and air inside here still where they will not bottom out, so they will not get a pressure sore.
There you go.
So it comes with the pump, it comes with a vapor permeable waterproof cover.
Okay.
And we're looking to put this into retail packaging, and we're also going to get it Medicare coded as well. So there'll be 2 uses for each of the DMEs.
Okay, well, if you're at Medtrade, make sure to stop by booth 2345.
Yes.
Yep. And you can check it out.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Brian.